Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on your Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. This is an easy method, allowing you to replace a burnt-out bulb without the hassle of removing the entire headlight assembly. We will cover everything from gathering your simple tools to safely installing the new bulb and testing it. This straightforward process can save you time and money, ensuring your vehicle is safe for nighttime driving. Let's get started and illuminate the road ahead. Before we begin, proper preparation is key for a smooth and safe replacement. Always ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the parking brake engaged. Pop open the hood to gain access to the back of the headlight housing. For added safety, especially when dealing with electrical components, it is wise to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Remember to wear clean gloves. The oils from your skin can significantly shorten the lifespan of a new bulb. Now let's get to the heart of the replacement. From under the hood, identify the specific bulb you need to change, whether it's the low beam or high beam. Gently twist the round dust cap counterclockwise to remove it. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb by pressing its small release tab. With the connector off, twist the old bulb counterclockwise or release its retaining clip, then pull it straight out. Insert your new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place, and reattach the electrical connector. With the new bulb installed, it's time for the final checks. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight. Hop into your vehicle and turn on the headlights to verify that your new bulb is shining brightly. Once confirmed, carefully replace the dust cap, twisting it clockwise until it's securely fastened. This protects the bulb from moisture and debris. Finally, close your hood, and you're all set. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb and are ready to drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.